In the early 1940s, Gödel came up with a proof in modal logic that, assuming certain axioms, he can prove the existence of what he calls a godlike figure. And here is the proof, so you can have a look at it. We are going to go through the steps of the proof in this video. The proof is going to have some axioms, our assumptions. There's going to be some theorems that we prove out of the axioms. There's going to be some definition of concepts, and then more axioms and theorems. The first thing to note is that we're going to talk about whether a property is good or evil, and P of phi means that phi is good. We will see in this axiom that actually every property is either good or evil. So anyway, this means that phi is good. The first axiom says that if phi is good and phi forces psi, then psi is good. The second axiom says that phi is good or not phi is good, meaning that either phi is good or phi is evil, and one of the two options happens. The first theorem says that if phi is good, then it is possible that there exists something that satisfies property phi. The first definition establishes that something is godlike if it satisfies every good property. The third axiom says that being godlike is good. And now we can prove that it is possible that there is something that is godlike. Now, the second definition says that a property phi has the essence of x when x has the property phi and phi forces every property of x. Axiom 4 is that if phi is good, then phi is necessarily good. And now we can prove that if x is godlike, then being godlike is the essence of x. In definition 3, we call something indispensable when something with its essence must exist. Axiom 5 simply says that being indispensable is a good property. And finally, in theorem 4, it says that something godlike must exist. And now, this is the entire proof. You can ask yourself, is this a model of our world? Does our world satisfy these axioms or an approximation thereof? So you can ask yourself, is everything good or evil and there is no in between? Is being godlike a good thing? And is being indispensable a good thing? And I don't know you, but I don't think everything is good or evil. So